What's up everyone, Landon here with LMR.com. Today I'll be taking a closer look at SVE's Cobra style front brake upgrade kits designed for the 1994 to 2004 Mustangs. If you own a 1994 to 2004 V6 or GT Mustang and you're in the market for improving your braking performance, but you aren't wanting to break the bank, one of SVE's budget-friendly front brake upgrade kits are probably going to appeal to you. Each Cobra-style brake upgrade kit was assembled by our product development team to be a bolt-on upgrade for your 1994 to 2004 V6 or GT Mustang. The kit includes everything you need minus brake parts, lubricant, and brake fluid to install them onto your car. These components will consist of brand new, not remanufactured Cobra-style calipers that are unpainted and resemble more of that OE look as something you might find on a 2003 to 2004 Mach 1. Of course, caliper brackets, your choice of a 13-inch stock style brake rotor or a drilled and slotted design that will help with additional brake cooling. A set of OEM style brake pads, rubber brake hoses, locating pins with its associated hardware, banjo bolts, and of course crush washers. Now, components you're going to reuse when installing either one of these kits are your caliper bracket to spindle retaining bolts, brake hose to hardline clip and bracket, and of course your factory brake dust shields. Now, the only thing you'll need to make note of when installing either one of these front brake upgrade kits is that you will have to run a 17-inch or larger diameter wheel. Whenever you install new brake pads and or rotors, it's important to properly bed or burnish the pads to condition the two components so that a proper wear pattern is achieved. In most situations, all you need to do is make 20 complete stops from 30 miles per hour or 20 slow downs from 50 miles an hour to 20 miles an hour with light to moderate pedal pressure. Don't slam the brakes and allow at least 30 seconds between brake applications so that the brake pads can cool down. Since the calipers, caliper brackets, pads, and its associated hardware will arrive unassembled, you'll have to assemble them prior to installation. To see how this is done, check out our video in the description. Once you have the calipers assembled, reference our Cobra style caliper installation video in the description as well. While the video doesn't show these exact calipers, the installation steps are verbatim for these calipers. Now, from my own personal standpoint on Cobra style calipers, I highly recommend them. As a matter of fact, I have a set of these SVE Cobra style calipers on my 2000 GT, and so far, they've been great. Wrapping things up here, guys, if you're in the market for improved braking performance, Cobra style calipers and a 13-inch rotor, then these SVE Cobra style front brake upgrade kits are a must-have. Now, for the most current product pricing and information, be sure and reference LMR.com. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and of course, for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning, you know what to do by now. Keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.